Now back to our crews on the ground tonight. They spotted these warning signs on St. Pete roads today, reminding drivers not to drive through flooded streets and roads. And this is exactly the kind of flooding that they want you to avoid. This video taken outside of a small business in St. Petersburg. And tonight, our Nicole Grigg going deeper with how this daily deluge is really starting to impact local small businesses and their bottom line.
It really doesn't take much rain to come down in St. Pete for the people inside this Fat Boys beauty supply to start to worry about what's to come. Heavy rain and days of it. But on this stretch of 34th Street North in St. Pete, this type of rain brings worry.
It's always a concern every time it rains. So last year we built some boards up to kind of protect us from the waters. We don't know if we're going to have to pull that out again this year.
Princess Gonzalez works at Fat Boys Beauty Supply. They sent us video of how bad it can get. She shows us how floodwaters creep to their door.
That's the little carpet that's right here, so it's touched the carpet enough to get it wet.
I reached out to the city of St. Pete about the problems here. They say a lot of the flooding has to do with what's going on inside these sewer drains. We were with the city last summer. We watched them pull out blankets and garbage lids, blocking water from flowing. And after our calls this week, they were back.
They did check the drains on that side of the street of the store, but all they did was really lift it up and look and then put it back down.
The city tells me they still have no exact answer for the flooding, but we've had too much rain and they say the drains are backing up with more than they can handle.
I feel like they should be doing more, looking more into it instead of giving us that answer.
The city of St. Petersburg says if you think your storm drains are blocked in your neighborhood, they have a section on the website where you can fill it out for someone to come take a look. Reporting in St. Petersburg, Nicole Grigg, ABC Action News.